Hello children, now second class mathematics. So now what is our chapter children? Shapes. So our chapter name is shapes. Say shapes spelling S-H-A-P-E-S, shapes. So what shapes having in our surroundings? So now I will explaining that. See all of you. I will explaining another book to also some another more information for I am given. Okay, don't check your book children, this is the another book. Okay, I will explaining more information for you. See here, plane and solid shapes. Say here, a plane is flat surface. The flat surface is only surface. This surface is flat surface. So here this shape is triangle, square, circle, rectangle are the examples of plane shapes. So this is the examples of plane shapes. So look at the shapes of the following children. See here, which shape is this? Triangle. So don't write children, don't have this book yours. Triangle, just listen. Triangle shape. So you have chessboard children? Okay, which shape is that? Square shape. Which shape? Square shape. S-Q-U-A-R-E, square. So here you have clocks children? Yes. So which shape is that? Circle shape. Circle. So children, suppose any marriages your relations to having means that marriage invitation cards will taking only. They are giving invitation cards. That invitation card which shape? Rectangle shape. So this is the invitation card children. So which shape is this? Rectangle shape. See rectangle spelling R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E, rectangle. R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E, rectangle shape. So these shapes are plane shapes. What shapes are plane shapes? Triangle, square, circle, rectangle. Those shapes are plane shapes. So here tricky triangle. So here tricky triangle is my name. Top my sides 1, 2, 3 and it's a game. See here 1, 2, 3. See here smart square. Smart square is my name. My 4 sides are just the same. Count this side, count 2. More until is 4. So in squares too, and before only saying children, this is the square. So square has how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. So these 4 sides are equal. Square has 4 sides. All the sides are equal. So next one here. I am cozy circle. Watch me go and round from end to end. So here round and round, here their end to end. So circle has no sides. So here rocky rectangle is my name. That rectangle is saying rocky rectangle is my name. My 4 sides are not the same. These 4 sides are not the same. 2 are short, 2 are long. These 2 are short and 2 are long. So as to come along. See here, they are playing only these shapes. The shapes will playing here. Okay. See here, flat and curved surface. This is the plane shapes children. అండ్ ఫ్లాట్ సర్ఫేస్ ఓన్లీ. ఫ్లాట్ సర్ఫేస్ అంటే ఇట్లా సాఫ్ట్గా ఉండే సర్ఫేస్. నెక్స్ట్ ఇయర్ ఫ్లాట్ అండ్ కర్వ్డ్ షేప్స్. సో ఇయర్ యూ అబ్జర్వ్ చిల్డ్రన్, is the pot is a curved shape. So pot curved shape only, not soft, straight గా ఉండదు కదా pot, cross గా ఉంటుంది. సో దట్ ఈస్ curved shape. curved curved shape. So here 3D shape children, you observe children, 3D shapes. 3D shapes are fat, not flat. So 3D shapes are fat. Fat means big size only. So not flat, soft ga undavu avi. So a cone is like a party hat. A cone, you know children, cone ice cream you are eating. A cone is a like party hat. A sphere is a like a bouncy ball. A prism is like building tall. A cylinder is like a can of pop. A cube is like dice you drop. A cuboid is like a brick. Now these are 3D shapes and tricks. So you learn, you remember this children. So easy for you. 3D shapes. What are the 3D shapes? So what are the examples? So okay. So observe children here. A cone is like party hat, cone. A sphere is a bouncy ball like that ball. A prism is like building tall only, tall buildings like that. A cylinder is like a can of pop. A cube is dice. See, I am showing now. See, oh nice pictures only children. So these are all solid shapes. What is the shapes? Solid shapes. I am saying 3D shape children. 3D shapes. 3D shapes means 3-dimensional shape. 3-dimensional, dimensional, dimensional shape. Solid shapes. SOLID, solid. SHAPES, shape. Solid shapes. A solid shape is a 3-dimensional shape that has length, 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 BREADTH, breadth, and DEPTH, depth. So that solid shape what we are having? Length, breadth and depth also. So here cube shape only. You know children, this side, this type cube shape. So a cube is a solid figure. The cube is a solid figure of a square. See, look like a square only. All the faces of the cube equal. So these faces, all the faces equal. So how many faces having? Box taken. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many faces having till cube? So I am showing children. So I am before also saying children, I am saying another examples to also take it. See, this is the cube shape, chalk piece box. So one face, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This side 4, 5. The down one 6. So how many faces having cube? 6 faces. So all the faces equal. So all the faces equal in cube shape. Which shape? Cube shape. Cube shape. All the faces are equal. Next one, cuboid shape. Listen children, this is not in your book too. I am saying another book too also. I am giving more information for you. Okay, don't check in your books too children. I am giving more information for shapes. So okay, you learn this. Okay, very easy way only. Are you difficult this way? So next, cuboid shape. C-U-B-O-I-D, cuboid. C-U-B-O-I-D, cuboid. A cuboid is a solid figure. This is also a solid figure. So same number of faces as a cube. Same like cube faces only. So how many faces cuboid? A cuboid are shaped look like rectangle shape. So bulletin boards, shoe box, shoe boxes, see here like that. Bulletin board. Textbook also, duster, brick, eraser, box. See, this also sharpener, which shape? Rectangle shape only, sorry, cuboid shape only. Duster. Book which shape? This is also cuboid shape. So how many faces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 also. See here I am showing example like brick also same like duster only. See here how many faces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 faces. Okay, 6 faces. So now don't listen carefully. Cone shape. A cone is a, you know children, cone shape. So are you like this? Cone ice cream. So this is the cone shape. Cone is a solid shape that has one curved surface. So one curved surface. Traffic cones and funnels and ice creams and birthday hat also. So these are examples of cone. So are you like this? Which shape is this children? Cone shape. So this is the cone ice cream only. Yes. Next sphere. A sphere is a solid figure. Similar to all children, it has no face. It has a curved surface and can roll. So here not having faces. So just curved surfaces and roll only. Just itla round ga jutnattu. Okay. Balls, marbles. Are you playing that marbles too only? Gotilu. Orange. Spears. Like spear shape only. This all. Earth. Next cylinder shape. A cylinder has solid shape. 2 circular surfaces only. See here, 2 circular surfaces. So it has a curved surface. So I am saying cylinder shape. See here, 2 circular faces. So here one face, up one. See here one face and here one face. So and remaining there can curved surface rolling also. So cork cans, straws, poles and pipes, some examples of cylinders. So okay children, so learn these shapes. So in next class too I will asking that this one only completed. Okay, just I am saying not having in your book to children, I am taking another book to just you listen and write what spellings I am saying, that spellings you learn and that concept also you learn children. Okay children.